Good afternoon, I'm delighted you found this tutorial and I hope you find it useful. We are learning to use E-cell values to work out the feasible reaction when two half cells are joined, and this is something you can do fairly quickly and easily without having to think too much, so a bit of a novelty in chemistry there. And the reason you don't have to think too much is that we can interpret relatively positive standard electrode potentials as ones which will progress in the forward direction, and relatively negative electrode potentials as those which will tend to progress in the reverse direction. So let's just link this in with what we know about standard electrode potentials. They are measured as the right-hand electrode relative to the hydrogen half cell, and if a positive voltage has been recorded, this means that electrons have been withdrawn from the electrode, i.e. this forward reduction process has occurred. Whereas if the voltage is negative, then this means that the half cell has pushed electrons onto the electrode. Those electrons there have been pushed towards the voltmeter, and that's why we get a negative voltage, and we could say that the reverse reaction is occurring. Okay, we're going to answer these 4 questions, and then at the end there'll be some similar ones for you to have a think about. So this first question, it says, will Mn react with Fe2+? So let's find the two half equations. There's the Mn1 and there's the Fe2+1, and the relatively more positive one is the Fe2+1 here. So we would say that this Fe2+1 will tend to go in the forward direction, the Mn1 will tend to go in the reverse direction, so we could say that Fe2+ would react with Mn to make Fe and Mn2+. So the answer to that first question, yes. Next question, really similar, just to get you familiar here. Will Ag react with Cu2+? There's the Ag and the Cu2+. Ag will go forward, Cu1 will go backwards. So will Ag react with Cu2+? No, it won't, because this will go in the reverse direction. It'll go like that. Okay, just a small point for this next one. It says, will Ag+ will react with Cu2+? Well, there's Cu2+, there's Ag+. No reaction, because we need one on one side and one on the other, so that one can provide electrons and one can gain those electrons. You're never going to have a reaction where there's two things on the same side of the half equation. And final one here, will Br2 react with Cl-? Well, the Cl1 would proceed in that direction relative to the bromine, so no, we would have no reaction there. So it's not just limited to metals here, we can have it throughout the electrochemical series. So using those principles, perhaps you can have a think about these questions. Will Ni2+ react with Zn? Will it react with Cl2? Will it react with Cl-? Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.